Whoa, light.
Jeez. Can't see anything, Lincoln. Papa's blinding me.
How do you shut the light off?
How do you do this bib? Hold on. Okay.
Goodbye. Going for the purple carrots.
Rocky, leave him alone. Oh. Dave? Stop it. Here, you want a drink?
Don't be rough.
I'm not being rough. You want a drink?
Uh.